all joking aside, it is true that the market has certainly identified that there are both technical. There's some very technically valid reasons why you would want to run services in the cloud.
Yeah.
There's also technically valid reasons why you would want, or even as you're pointing out, even all the way down to like, well, the laws require it, that you run on premise. There's increasingly the need to be able to sort of flex, oftentimes for capacity need. I don't want to have a whole bunch of machines sitting in a data center that 90% of the time are unused, but only for the Olympics, every 2 years do I turn them on. Like that makes no sense, right?
Yeah, it reminds me of how we built our multi-CDN stack like 10 years ago.
Exactly. In the absolutely. It's so interesting you talk about multi-CDN because now I think, multi-CDN is more discussed in the almost exclusively, well, this particular network has better coverage in this region of the world. This one has better coverage in these countries, but it used to be, it was capacity, right? It was just sheer capacity. Like this one platform can't handle at peak times. So we need to be able to, flex.
We built our own micro-CDN in Europe, and we said, we're not going to compete against, the large CDN vendors out there. Why would we do that? We will never win. But we want to have our own playout capacity, and we build capacity on our regular capacity needs. So just build a stack of caches that can handle the normal load that we have, plus some headspace. But for all the overflow peak traffic, we just push everything to the CDNs because then you can have temporarily huge capacity on top of what. I mean, you can stack multiple CDNs on top of each other, on top of your own network, and that's still running as we built it 10, 12 years ago.
Yeah, amazing. That's amazing.